Hi everyone, and welcome to my monthly budget and portfolio update for February 2026. Today we're going to look at my February portfolio progress. I will share with you the rate of return that I got compared to the S&P 500. Then I will show you the year-to-date rate of return. Next, we'll discuss the performance of individual ETFs. Then the investments that I made this month. And last but not least, I want to share with you my next milestone. In the beginning of February, my account balance was $242,193, and I ended the month at $255,371. I was super excited to finally break it past $250,000. Now, during this month, I contributed $7,500. I decided to contribute additional $5,000 to what I was originally planning. And the investment gains during this period were $5,551. And I also received some dividends in the total amount of $126. The rate of return for February for my portfolio was 2.33%. So that is less than what I had last month, but still I think it's quite nice return. And meanwhile, the S&P 500 was down negative 0.76%. If we look at the rate of return year to date, my portfolio is up 6.46% for January and February, and the S&P 500 is up by 0.68%. What I would like to keep in mind is that this big difference is primarily due to the diversification of my portfolio. Let's take a look at the individual ETFs and how they performed. SCHA was up by 1.32%. I currently have 1,220 shares of it for a total value of $37,540. SHB went down during that period by negative 0.64%. I currently have 2,856 shares of it for a total value of $75,904. SCHD is up by astonishing 8.55% in the month of February. I currently have 1,593 shares for a total value of $50,801. SCHE was also down this month by 0.68%. I only have 88 shares of it for a total value of $3,098. SCHF was up 3.18%. I now have 1,782 shares of it for a total value of $47,525. And SCHZ went up by 0.43%. I currently have 1,287 shares of it for total value of $30,300. Here's the investments that I made in February. I bought 24 shares of SCHA, 75 of SCHB, 72 of SCHD, 7 of SCHE, 47 of SCHF, and 43 shares of SCHZ. I keep on wondering if I should pause buying of HCZ at the moment. This is my bond ETF, and based on my age, I can still afford to be a little bit more aggressive with my investments, but I sort of feel that SHZ has been on sale for the last few years. I prefer to invest in it now, and hopefully one day when things turn around, perhaps it will perform a little bit better. As I shared in the beginning, I was super excited to finally pass $250,000 in investments, and my goal is now to reach $300,000 in my brokerage account. I'm not quite sure when that will happen. I think it would be really amazing if it can happen by the end of 2026, but I guess we will just have to wait and see. And with that, I hope that you're having a great day wherever you are, and I hope to see you in the next video.